Hello and welcome back to Bunnex Investment Group. In this video, we are going to talk about a strategy that occurs almost each and every day. So it's basically a pump and dump, meaning that in summary, when they pump, you dump, and when they dump, you pump. When they rise, you sell, and when they drop, you buy. Basically like that. But before we do so, make sure you check out our free Telegram channel where we share free trading advice, free setups, as well as signals. I've left the link in the description box below. Alright, so without wasting much of your time, let's actually jump and describe how the strategy goes. So we've said when they pump, you dump, when they dump, you pump. It's vice versa. And the steps that you need to follow are, the first one will be to locate high of day or low of day, depending on what they have issued to you first, right? So, for example, this was a day they actually opened the day, went below like that, right? This was the low of this day that they issued first, right? So from this low of day, they actually started to rise. At this particular point, it was now a fact whereby we can say they pumped and you are now looking to dump, right? So the first step, as I've said, is to actually locate the high or low of day that they have issued first. In this particular case, they came out of the opening of the day, then they consolidated, created this high of day, right? So this was the high of day that they created. In this case, they opened, went to create the high of day. So from this high, that is where we are going to make our reference, right? So we've said the first step is to look for the high or low of day, depending on whatever point they create first, right? After location of those points, we are now going to locate a point where we are going to dump. We are saying when they create a high or a low, we are going to look for a dump or a pump from that high or low to a point where we are going to do the opposite, right? So for example, this was the day that this is a day that we are going to use as the pump and dump. We're going to have several examples so that you will fully comprehend and be able to apply. And after that, you need to backtest so that you can see these things clearly, right? We've said on this particular day, which started from this point to that point, they created this high. And after creation of that high, what did they do? We had a move to the downside. They pulled back to the 13 EMA, and my 13 is the one in red. For the sake of those who are new to this channel, 50 is the one in blue, 13 red, 5 in yellow, white 200, 800 in dark blue. So all these are actually used on different and several entry techniques. So from this point, we can see they issued one, pull back to the 13, two, pull back to the 13, and at the end, that is where we look for a proper candlestick reversal pattern for us to pump. In this particular case, they dumped. So for us to pump, we wanted a candlestick reversal pattern. Example number one, right? Then we can see on the following day, they opened, went to the downside, created the low, right? And what we were now waiting is to see them pumping from that low. They made the first push, retest of 13, second push, retest of 13, third push. At this particular point, we look for a candlestick reversal pattern, then we enter to the downside like that, right? On the following day, we can see they actually made this move. This was the low of the day. From that low, they made first push, retest of 13, second push, retest of 13, third push. At this particular point, we look for a candlestick reversal pattern for us to dump. In this case, they were pumping. For us to dump, we will look for a candlestick reversal pattern. Let's have another example that occurred yesterday on NZD USD by the time of recording this video. We had we had this as the high of day they created. From that high, we look to see the pumping or dumping effect. In this case, we had 1 retest of 13, 2 retest of 13, and then 3 where we were going to make our entry. So basically these things occur on almost all pairs and almost every day over a bunch of pairs. This was USD ZAR. I'm sure for those who follow our free Telegram channel, this setup was shared with everyone. We wanted to see an M pattern on the M15 or on the 200 EMA, right? But it was basically a pump and dump. They actually pumped for us to dump. From that, we can see a move to the upside, retest of 13, retest of 13, and then the last move to the upside. And we had our entry at this particular point, and our profit was actually made. So basically, we need to locate the low or the high of day depending on where we are viewing the markets from, and after location of those points we need to see the pumping or dumping move whereby we see threes in doing so for us to get a candlestick reversal pattern to do the opposite, basically like that. On that note, we've come to the end of our today's video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.